The algorithm says that Ntate Stunna would kill this beat. What do you say? Since you like this video on the screen, you're gonna love this one. This is how you make a storytelling type of beat for Ntate Stunna. I actually started with these chords. Nothing really complicated, man. Just kept it simple. Just played with the octaves and all of that. You know, by now you should know music theory, but if you need me to explain into detail, leave a comment below. The VST I used here is the preset. It's this one by Legend Loops. Now the following thing I did was this choir. Super crazy. It actually carries the momentum of this beat. Then at the intersection, as you can see here, we don't have a lot of sounds. We just have this, which is FL keys. Oh, by the way, the choir, where's the choir? Yeah, this is the choir. The preset is inside the expanded. This is XXX expansion. It's on my Ko-fi page. You can go download it for like $1. It's not that expensive. And yeah, now I just added FL keys. So what I did with the FL keys to make it sound more full, I just made duplicates and then changed octaves and stuff like that. And it sounds like this. Then after that, I went and did this choir. This choir also carries a huge amount of the beat. There's actually two of them, as you can see here. There's two of them. This one is called Choir 23. This one is called Choir 14. They're both inside TP Essentials, as you can see on the screen. And the link is in the description below. Go download. And they sound like this together. The reason why I layered them together, as you can hear, they don't really sound the same. This one is a war, then this one is a... They don't sound the same. And the other one is higher and the other one is lower. So to balance frequencies and all of that. This is one of the most used choir in the Stunna Beats, bruv. Super crazy. Sounds like this. Keep in mind that I'm breaking down the beat as it goes, so it's from the intersection to the full beat. So now I just went and did the congos and the bongos and things like that, just, you know, for a crazy bounce. And they sound crazy. All these sounds come from TP Essentials. You can go download. Link still in the description. At this section, I did a basses, a lot of bass, as you can see. I just played around with the basses and, you know, to create some groove when the beat is about to drop. Keep in mind that these basses are also inside TP Essentials. You can go get them. Then, you know, we gotta add a snare, right? We gotta add a snare. And as you can see, I have this snare and this short thingy. And then another short thingy down here. Together, they sound like this. Then after that, I went with the hi-hat, you know, some hi-hat nyana with some few rolls, nothing complicated. As you can see, guys, I play with the velocities. You should do that. Don't just have velocities hitting here all the time. No, that's not right. After that, man, we go straight to the kick. Pretty basic, man, nothing too complicated. After the kick, I added this open head. added another open here. I actually did this one just to make it sound like an accent actually, because as you can see here it slides and here it just triples, whatever, chops and stuff. Yeah, so basically I'm using it as an accent to, you know, create something unique. After that we went and did this 808, and together with the kick and the other sounds, it sounds, by the way, don't be intimidated by how it looks. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. I will explain it after I play it. So here is the first part of the hook. It's not complicated, but the second part, that's where it goes down really. What happens on the second part? The second part is this section here, right? And it gets a little bit complicated. So as you can see here, it's a slide with the high note slide. It's like this one is taking this one down. This one actually takes this one down, and bruv, it's just a lot of, you know, playing around with notes and stuff to get something that sounds right, and yeah, sounds dope. So after that I went and threw in some drum fills. Now this drum fill right here is also from TP Essentials, link still in the description below. And yeah, pretty much every drum sound in here comes from TP Essentials. So this is pretty much the beat. Oh, I almost forgot this one. So what I did to the beat in the mixer, I just mixed it, but as you can see on the drums I didn't really do much because they are pre-mixed this side. Where's the drums? Yeah, I pre-mixed them over here. Some I played with them, some of them, and yeah, as you can see with the melody I mixed it, as you can see, and yeah, I panned. On the drums chain I just put a compressor. On the melody chain I just put this compressor, OTT. OTT is very underrated. There's this other one called, I don't know if it's MOTT or something, but it's like better compared to this one. Like it has more functionalities and more knobs and stuff. So but I still like this one because it's pretty simple. On the master I just put in like a Fruity Clipper, and then also don't forget to subscribe, man. Come on, don't forget to subscribe, and also share the video with someone who you think it might help. Okay, before I play the full beat, I'm dropping a song next week with my boy Myztro. And it's gonna be dope, man. Be on the lookout. Peace.
Trinity